Hey, it's me, Progressive Insurance. You know, from our 4,000 television commercials. Yep, there I am with Flo. Woo-hoo, watch it. Anywho, 3 million people switched to me last year.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bradley County in East Tennessee, Hamilton County in East Tennessee, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southeast of Harrison, or 12 miles east of Chattanooga, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Cleveland, McDonald, Flint Springs, Hopewell, Waterville, Gap Springs, and Tasso. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lighting is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lighting is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.